Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Atlas blue metallic coloring. This vehicle is powered by a 5-liter V8 engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the tow and haul package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have rear park sensing. We got that tow hitch, backup camera of course, mud flaps on the rear, and we have a nice gripped running board on the sides, mud flaps on the front, side view camera, blind spot detection, turn light indicator mirrors, a nice little hood deflector on the front park sensing with 2 tow hooks, license plate bracket, there's a block heater back there, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We do have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space in the back, 2 cup holders with the 12 volt, 2 USB-Cs and 120 just right there. And of course, if you need more space, you can always lift up the seats as well. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space up front, parking brake, lights, blind spot and tailgate opener just right there. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 6.6 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle for your screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at your main screen here, you have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status information, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. Looking over here, you have a fair bit of storage with storage underneath as well. Cup holders, storage cubby, more storage with the USB and USB-C. We have a leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage. You have your drive modes, rear lock and differential, 4-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, heated front seats, dual climate. You have a 12-volt outlet, 120-volt outlet. Clicking this, you do get storage there as well as right there. Storage above. Looking above me, we do have a nice rear window opener, which is pretty handy. As well as we do have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction, and we do get Blue Cruise with this vehicle as well. Looking at your main screen here, you do have your audio, which does have SiriusXM capabilities, phone, navigation, your fave app, messaging, email, Wi-Fi, or whatever you like, apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, settings, SiriusXM, sound, all the usual, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE50861, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.